I want to do a progress video of the restoration on my 1967 International 1206. I'd say we're probably about halfway through the restoration now. We've got it all tore down and front axle removed. We're going to start putting some of the wheels and tires back on, wheel it back outside, give it a good wash down. Got the new freeze plugs installed. I'll make sure to put up some pictures and whatever videos I have of when the tractor first rolled into the shop. It already had a lot of its body panels removed off of the tractor, but we ended up getting the engine stripped down. We got the rear wheels primered. Those are going to be silver. And then the paint booth here, we have the hubs ready for primer. Oh, they're already primered, ready for paint. Those are going to be white. Here's my goal of what I want it to look like. I just found a random picture on Google, but I'd like to put the canopy topper on there, and then also do the chrome stack exhaust. We have the front hubs hung up and the front wheels. All these are going to be white. We already got a little bit of red paint shot, mostly just on the parts. I did rebuild the brakes. New axle seals. Kind of trying to go through and reseal everything so don't have to do it at a later date. The only thing I'm really missing for the tractor would be the third link. The 1206 third links are like $850 to $1,000 online that I've seen, but I'm going to keep my eye out and see if I can find one for more of a reasonable price. And then over here is a lot of the finished parts, a lot of red parts. These will all get put on after the tractor gets shot with some paint. I got a new wiring harness and some other new parts here. I got more parts at the sandblast shop, but the next to go is going to be this front radiator support. I had the injection pump rebuilt and had a lot of the lines redone because they were either cramped or pretty corroded, but I have all brand new lines for the injection pump and rebuilt injectors. Here are some of the parts we really haven't got to yet. I'm probably going to have to buy all new gauges. These are pretty fogged up, and I don't believe the hours are correct. And I'm really not sure if any of these gauges work, but they're cheap enough where I'll probably just go ahead and order new ones. The turbo has been rebuilt. It doesn't have many hours on the turbo, so I probably won't do anything with that. I got a new water pump, and then on the alternator, I bought the different wiring harness that uses a 10 SI or SE alternator, so I'll be switching that over to one that has an internal regulator versus an external. And then a lot of these lines will go in for paint. I'm kind of tossing around on the idea of getting a lot of these handles chromed. I'm not sure if I'll chrome them or just go ahead and shoot them red and get new handle ends. So yeah, this is an update on the 1206 restoration. I kind of wish I would have started the videos a little bit sooner, but I'll try to keep the videos coming the further we get on the project. I'm hoping it's June right now, hopefully to have it done by this fall. There's a tractor show pretty close to me, and I'd like to be able to take it up to that. But if you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and put it in the comment section.